Business planning, how do you integrate business planning? Take different spheres of business, marketing, capacity planning, sales and marketing adjustments, person capacity balancing. The capacity comes in big chunks. If you are approaching the capacity limit, you have choices to make. Either invest capital or do some short-term adjustments like do overtime and add some shifts if you can, or go for outsourcing for a certain time until you get to a point where you can invest in a next big step of capacity enhancement. Those are very sensitive decisions because they are about finance, high finances, investments, and gestation periods where AI can definitely help you get the right decisions. And
Yeah,
simulation of, yeah,
AI shines in processing the data and providing many alternatives. So what do you want to, and I mentioned this earlier, what do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on customer service? Do you want to focus on inventory management to have the lowest investment? Right? And often it takes you a long time just to come up with one alternative. Now with AI, you can crunch through the numbers and have many alternatives that you can analyze and decide on what strategy to implement. Again, the power of
exactly.
AI is dealing with a lot of data.